Well, hello everybody, welcome back and happy Christmas Eve. So, last one before Christmas. I thought I'd do a nice quick little one, since it's a nice shiny pinky reddy colour, a bit Christmassy. So it's a generic Chinese 38mm, effectively an American 1100 clone. This one was sent to me by the LockPickingLawyer. So key bitting's not too bad on it. So a little bit up and down, works just as it should. Feels a little bit stiff compared with an 1100. But apart from that, so let's get this in the vise and give it a go and have a look inside. Let's get some focus, just the camera fraction, that should do it, and we're all locked up. So let's give this a go. So I'm using fairly heavy tension to start with, so we've got nothing on one. This is only 5, nothing on 2, a little click on 3, nothing on 4, and 5, little click on 5, right, one's binding, a nice click, big bit of movement on the core, 2, right, trying to get under 4, so that's binding now. That was 4. 1, 2, 3, no, 4's not up yet. Struggling to get underneath. There we go, that's number 4 and we're open. So let's get that out of the way. Pinning tray in, and let's have a look inside. Hopefully we've got, yeah, just a Phillips screw. There we go, that all comes apart. Get the core out. And clip on the back, horrible and greasy. Let me lock this up because we've got the key. One clip, all horrible and greasy. So looking under there, it does look like it is just a 5-pin core. And excuse the dog barking. Right, finally got it to turn left. Follower. And the standard in 1, standard in 2, standard in 3, and in 4, and in 5. Not much point in looking, but nothing in the core. Let's have a look up top. And that is standard. Spool, actually not a bad looking spool. And again, I have seen far worse spools than those. And a standard in 5. So all standards on the bottom. 2, 3 and 4. Our spools on the top. Let's just grab one of those. There we go, we focused. So, not too deep, but actually not a badly formed spool by the looks of it. Anyway, so there we go. The generic Chinese 1100 clone. Anyway, I hope you all have a lovely Christmas day, get everything you wanted from Santa, and I will see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.